Welcome, guys. So, today we will discuss some problems based on time complexities. So, this comes under divide and conquer strategy basically. And those who want to learn some different applications of divide and conquer, they can refer my previous videos. So, let us start problems on time complexities. So, the very first one is find the time complexity for the following C program. So what is written? So the written part is a of n. This is a function, and obviously this is what a recursive function. So this is what initial condition. Here it is initial, or other way of saying initial or termination condition. Initial or termination condition, and this is what this is your recursive step. This is your recursive step. Okay, so we are supposed to find the time complexity for this particular program or this particular algorithm. Okay, so let us suppose Tn is the time required, okay, for this particular thing. So T of n, so basically अगर n की value 1 है then it is constant time. Okay, so C in case of if what n double equals to 1, n equals to 1, or otherwise this is under root. So T of under root n, so T of under root n and plus some constant time, maybe some returning time or some whatever, है ना? So this is some constant time. So when so it is otherwise, means n greater than equals to 1. Otherwise means n greater than 1. Okay, so let us solve this particular recurrence relation and find the time complexity. So what we are in our hand, problem in our hand is T of what, T of n equals to T of under root n plus some constant C. Okay, so here what we are putting, assume n equals to 2 raised to the power k. Okay, so n equals to 2 raised to the power k. So this is our assumption. We are assuming the number of problem or value of n kya hai, to the power k form. So then this particular relation will be T of 2 raised to the power k equals to T of this root n means n raised to the power 1 by 2. So it is 2 raised to the power k by 2 and plus it is C. Okay, and further we are assuming that T of 2 raised to the power k equals to, let us suppose, s of k, because ये अंडर रूट वाले जो क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं रिकरेंस रिलेशन, so we can solve with this particular method. Okay, so if you है ना practice more, then you will get the thing. Okay, so what is the solution here? S of k equals to, this is s of what, k by 2 and plus some constant C. Okay, now if you solve this particular thing, so let us solve this with some method. So solve this by recurrent substitution method. So this is what s of k by 2 अगर put करेंगे, so k by 2 square and plus C, and plus C it is already. So what is the solution? S of k upon 2 square and plus C is going to be 2C. So similarly अगर k upon 2 square put करेंगे तो 2 की power 3 and 3C. So in similar fashion, if we repeat this process k times, okay, so what will be the solution? Or let us suppose this already k, so some, or we, you know, this particular, this simply we can solve this by what master's method. Okay, or you can also solve this with the use of what substitution method. So you will get log n. तो ये किसका recurrence relation है? This is the recurrence relation for binary search, similar है ना? तो इसके लिए क्या solution होगा? N raised to the power log a base p. So here what, n raised to the power log a is what, a is your A is what? So A n by B. So A is your 1 and this is your 2. So this is going to be what? N raised to the power 0, which is some constant, and this is equals to this value C. Okay, so this is this value C. So finally the answer will be what? Answer will be the same thing into log of what? Here K. It is not N, basically it is K. Okay, it is K. So this is what? This is K. So it is C of log K. Okay, order of C of log K. So this we can write it as order of log of K. So what is the value of K? So here you can find the value of K as from here K equals to log of n or base 2. Okay, so this if you put over here, so finally you will get the time complexity as order of log of log. So this is the time complexity for this recursion. तो यहाँ अगर आप उससे भी सॉल्व करेंगे, so this I solved simply using master's method, or otherwise you can solve it by recursive tree method, or otherwise what your substitution method. So you will get the same answer. So what will be the time complexity? So this is going to be the time complexity for this particular recurrence relation. So this is what? This is time complexity. Okay, so what is the answer? So answer is going to be the C part, that is order of log. So I hope that this is clear to you people. Now let us solve some more question. So the next question says that it is also a function of algo of n, and if n less than equals to 1, so simply return 0. So this is our initial condition. So this part is what? This is initial condition, recursive programming. This is initial condition, and this part entirely is what? This is what? Recursive step. This is recursive step. Okay, so this is very simple recurrence relation for this. So for returning, so returning 1 if n equal to 1, then returning 0 is some constant times C. So this is the case when n equals to what? N equals to 1. Okay, otherwise what is the case? T of n by 2, because algo of n by 2 plus algo of n by 2 plus C. So plus T of n by 2 and plus C. So this is the case of if n greater than equal to 1. So, or this we can write it as 2 times T of n by 2 and plus C. Okay, so we can easily solve this particular problem. So the recurrence relation is what? T of n equals to 2 times T of n by 2 and plus C. So just apply substitution over here, or you can also use master's method. So it is 2 multiplied by T of n by 4. So n by 4 means n by 2 square and plus C. So if so this multiplies this 2, so this 2 goes inside, so 2 raised to the power 2 T of n upon 2 square and plus this 2 times C and plus this C. So it is 2 times C and plus this is C. Okay, so let us see one more time what will be the solution. Now next time, so 2 square as it is, substitute for this part and plus 2C over here and plus C over here. So it is 2 times T of n by 4 रखेंगे, n by 2 प्लेस पर. So it is n by 8. n by 8 means n by 2 raised to the power 3 plus C. Okay, so just multiply 2 square inside, so 2 raised to the power 3 T of n upon 2 raised to the power 3 plus it is 2 square times C plus it is 2C and plus it is what? C. Okay, so I hope that this is clear to you. Now similarly, so this is, we can say this is 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, and this is 2 raised to the power g, like this. So if you repeat this for k times, okay, if you repeat the same process k times, so then what will be the resultant? 2 raised to the power k into t of n upon 2 raised to the power k, which is nothing but equal to 1 finally, एंड प्लस अगर आप c कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ आएगा 2 रेज टू द पावर 0 प्लस 2 रेज टू द पावर 1 एंड प्लस 2 रेज टू द पावर 2 प्लस सो ऑन सो फोर्थ। देखिए यहाँ 3 था तो यहाँ 2 तक आया था, यहाँ k है तो यहाँ k माइनस 1 तक आएगा, 2 रेज टू द पावर k माइनस, like this. Okay, and here you can get the relation. So what is the relation? N upon 2 raised to the power k equals to 1. So 2 raised to the power k equals to n, or k equals to, taking log both the side on base 2, so base 2, so like this. Okay, so this is 2 raised to the power k के place पर क्या आ जाएगा? Simply it is n into it is t of 1 or plus c, and this is what gp. So gp, where common ratio r is greater than or equal to 1, so it is a is 2 raised to the power 0 into r raised to the power n minus 1. What is r? R is 2 raised to the power n is number of terms, so k minus 1 or divided by r minus 1, so it is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 and this is 1. 2 raised to the power k is n, so finally we are getting what? This is n into 1 plus c into n minus 1. Okay, so finally you will get what? N plus cn minus c. So from here it is very much evident that it is order of n, highest term is order of n. So the time complexity for this particular recurrence relation or this particular algorithm is what? Order of n. So what is the time complexity for this? This is order of n. Okay, this is the answer. Now solve some more question. Find time complexity for the following C program. So program is written d double a da for n. So it is again what? Initial condition, initial condition, and this is again the same thing. Okay, but here is a twist, है ना? So what is the twist? So just this entire part is what? This is recursive step, okay, because you are so this is recursive step. Now observe carefully a very important point which we are supposed to keep in mind. So this is what? This is some constant c if n double equal to 1, if n equals to 1. Otherwise this is for d double a of n के लिए t of n है, तो d double a n by 2 के लिए it is t of n by 2 and plus t of n by 2, and this n is what? N is simple a value, okay, adding, so adding a constant, so this will what? This is a constant, some constants. तो आई होप दैट दिस इज क्लियर कि ये सी क्यों लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पे। देखिए बेसिकली यहाँ वैल्यू है एन, बट एन क्या है? कांस्टेंट। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल डा ऑफ 5 के लिए कॉल करोगे तो यहाँ 5 आएगा ना कांस्टेंट, या डा ऑफ 1000 के लिए करोगे तो यहाँ 1000 आएगा। जैसे आपने प्रीवियसली हमने कुछ एप्लीकेशंस डिस्कस की हैं, जैसे क्विक सॉर्ट है, क्विक सॉर्ट में हम पार्टीशन एल्गोरिथम यूज करते हैं, तो पार्टीशन एल्गोरिथम का टाइम होता है ऑर्डर ऑफ एन, दैट्स वाई हम उसको क्या लिखते हैं? ऑर्डर ऑफ एन के लिए सिंपल एन लिखते हैं रिकरेंस रिलेशन, बट यहाँ वो कांस्टेंट है, ठीक है। यहाँ ये जो एन है दिस इज नॉट अ एल्गोरिथम, दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट, so this is a constant, is a constant, so that's why I'm writing c. So this is the case when n is greater than 1. So otherwise you can also write it as 2 times d of n by 2 and plus c. So I think that this is same as the previous one. So what will be the solution in that case? So t of n equals to 2 times t of n by 2 plus c. So use master's method. So what is the master's method? N raised to the power log a base b. So here what? N raised to the power log 2 base 2. So which is nothing but n raised to the power 1, which is greater than c. Okay, so which is greater than this particular c. So finally we can say the largest one is our answer. So the time complexity for this, so time complexity for this is going to be order of what, order of n. So I hope that this is clear. तो यहाँ ट्विस्ट क्या था बेसिकली, यहाँ ट्विस्ट हमारा था कि यहाँ जो ये n लिखा हुआ है दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट वैल्यू, ओके, बट इन प्रीवियस केसेस और सम अदर एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डिवाइड एंड कॉन्कर स्ट्रेटजी, तो वो जो n हम लिखते थे वहाँ ऑर्डर ऑफ n और थीटा ऑफ n और सम n, तो वो एक एल्गोरिथम रहता था, ठीक है, लाइक पार्टीशन एल्गोरिथम है ना, और सम अदर, ओके. So this is simple a constant, that's why I'm writing C. Okay, now this find time complexity for the following C program. So what is the program? This is starting from here and ends over here, and this is going to be the else part, okay, and this is again what, this is the initial condition, okay, and these steps are what, these steps are what, recursive steps, okay, and these are some constant manipulations, these are some constant terms, constant time, constant time, okay, because some adding some values है ना, or returning something, so these are some constant. So what will be that, what recurrence relation for this? So recurrence relation will be some constant C, what if n equals to 1, otherwise tau of n by 2, so it is t of n by 2 plus t of n by 2, so these two t of n by 2 and some adding or returning, so some constant time, okay. So this is the case if n greater than equal to 1, or otherwise 2 times t of n by 2 and plus C, okay. So again solve this recurrence relation, I think this is same to the previous one, so 2 times t of n by 2 plus C, so by using Master's method, so you will get n raised to the power log a base b, which is nothing but n raised to the power log 2 base 2, so which is what, n which is greater than C. So finally your time complexity for this is time complexity for this is what, order of n, okay. So again the time complexity is order of n, okay. So the very first question which we solved this, okay, so we cannot use Master's method directly, okay. So here we cannot use Master's method directly, so I'm writing here that we can't solve this recurrence relation by Master's method directly, by Master's method directly, okay. So but here we can solve, here we can solve directly, we are not able to solve because it is not in the form, okay, because initially not in the Master's solvable form, that's why we just changed this particular, no? So I hope that this is clear to you. Now let us solve this also. So find time complexity for the following C program. So this is some factor of n, starting from here up to here, and this is the else part. So this is again the initial condition, and this part is what, this part is a recursive step, recursive step. And again here this n is what? N is a constant. Here it is not a here it is not just a what, some we can say it is not a algorithm, okay, some bigger algorithm, some big algorithm. So that's why the time recurrence relation for this is what, this is some constant c. So if n double equals to 1, or otherwise factor of n minus 1 means t of n minus 1, okay. And some, let us multiply it with some c, some constant, okay, or just write it like plus c, some multiplication means some more time and some constant time. So this is the case when n greater than 1. Okay, so let us solve this particular recurrence relation. So recurrence relation is what, t of n equals to t of n minus 1 and plus c. So this is not solvable directly by what, Master's method, okay. So can't solve using Master's method. So we can't solve this using Master's method. So we cannot solve this particular recurrence relation using Master's method because it is not in the form like t of n equals to a times t of n by b plus some function f of n, which is polynomial time function. Okay, so that's why the method applicable here is what, substitution method. So just substitute the values and nothing else, okay. So like this, plus c already. So t of n minus 1, so t of n minus 2, okay. Or otherwise let me write it specifically, then it is very much clear, t of n minus 1 and minus 1 already. So this is the substitution part, and plus c, okay. Now what is the solution for this? So this is t of, next step is t of n minus 2 and plus this c, or c, it is going to be 2c. Next time if you put t of n minus 3 and plus c and plus 2c over here, so finally you will get t of n minus 3 and plus 3c. So how many times you are supposed to put this particular thing in order to get t of 1? So it is n minus 1 times, okay. So n minus 1 times I am supposed to what, repeat this particular thing. So t of here you will get n minus, okay. So it is n minus 1 times, n minus 1 times, and plus, so this is 3, this is 3, so this is n minus 1 into c, n minus 1 into c. So you will get it like t of n minus n plus 1 and plus nc minus c, and this n and n gets cancelled. So this is finally t of 1 and plus nc and minus c. So t of 1 is going to be your c plus nc minus c. So the c and c gets cancelled. So finally you will get what, you will get nc as the answer, and which is nothing but the time complexity is what, time complexity is order of. So I hope that this solution is clear to you. Why I am repeating n minus 1 time, because t of 1 की वैल्यू मेरे पास है ना, अगर n की वैल्यू 1 होगा यहाँ पे, this n value is 1, then I can write in place. So that's why n minus 1 time. So what is the time complexity for this particular algorithm? So the time complexity is what, order of n, okay. So I hope that this these some basic questions are clear to you, because these are related to some time complexity part, okay. Now consider the following input, uh, 10 20 10 11 20 10 40 50 and 60. So after applying the partition algorithm by choosing first element as pivot element, what will be the output? So it's one interesting and nothing is hidden inside this question. Let me solve first of all. So this is 10a, let us suppose 10a. Why? Because 2 times 10, so for differentiation purpose 10a, 11 and 20, and this I am writing 10b for differentiation purpose, and 40 some distance, no, 50 and 60. So first element is pivot element, so this particular p is what? P is 10, so this is pivot element. Okay, so this is the pivot element, and I here, and j I am moving from here, j I am moving from here, just applying what? Partition algorithm. So partition algorithm I am applying. तो जो पाइवट एलिमेंट है वहाँ मैंने आई सेट किया, और आई पॉइंटर, और आई कैन से इंडेक्स पे एक वैल्यू सेट की, और उसके नेक्स्ट इंडेक्स पे जे वैल्यू सेट की। तो हमें जे को चेक करना है कि अगर ए ऑफ जे हमारा पाइवट एलिमेंट से स्मॉल है, तो हमें उसको क्या, स्मॉल लेस देन और इक्वल है तो हमें इंटरचेंज करना है को। सो इट इज़ नॉट लेस देन और इक्वल, सो जस्ट increase this particular j. It is not also less than equal, so just increase this. So it is less than but not less than equal, so that's why यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि हमें i और j को हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, a of i और a of j को इंटरचेंज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, so just let me just change the my I from here to here. Okay, and just interchange these two values. So if you interchange these two values, so this is 11 and this will be what? This will be 10b. Okay, now just increase this j. So this j value, a of j 40 is not less than pivot element 10, so it is 10a, basically 10. Okay, and again this j, so which is not less, 50 is not less than 10a, so again move one more time. So 60 is not less than 10a, so again just move. So after moving this, you are out of the loop. So out of the loop, so outside the loop, just interchange a of p, and so this is what? This is my p, this is my p. So interchange a of p and a of I. So after interchanging a of p and a of I, so you will get 10b. Okay, after interchanging I and p, so 10b here, now the new value is 10a, and here it is 20, it is 11, and it is 40, and it is what? 50, and it is 60. Okay, so this is the pivot element. So, so this is the pivot. So this is the pivot element after partition algorithm. Pivot place after what? Partition algorithm. After partition algorithm. Okay, so all the lesser values or lesser or equal values are left side. So what I just want to convey over here कि जो repeated elements का order है that is changed. Okay, so because 10a previously था before sorting, और 10b बाद में था, but after this pivot element or this sorting technique, okay, so this is what? This is not a stable sorting technique. It is not stable sorting technique. Which? Quick sort. Because this partition algorithm be used in what? Quick sort algorithm. Why? Because before and after sorting, the repeated elements order do not preserve, do not preserve, or otherwise I am saying do not same. That's why it is not what stable sorting technique. Okay, but anyhow, quick sort is what in place sorting technique, because we are doing all the sorting related tasks in just a given area only. Okay, we are not taking any extra space. So that's enough for this lecture. Okay, and we are at the end of this lecture. And in this particular lecture I discussed a few important questions related to this divide and conquer and time complexity strategy. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Okay, and if you are learning from the same videos, these particular videos, then like, subscribe and share this channel to learning community. So happy learning to all of you. Stay safe.